Logue with the Anchor Group in Ocean City, and this is 4919 Central Avenue on the South End. So the unique opportunity here at 4919 Central is to own the ground on the South End. The existing building is a duplex featuring 2 4-bedroom, 2-bath units, but included in the sale are plans to raise and renovate to build a 4,000 square foot, 2.5-story luxury single family. So you've got lots of options here. Build the single family, renovate the existing duplex, all here in the heart of the South End. Whether preserved as an upgraded duplex or raised and renovated into a magnificent luxury single family, 4919 Central Avenue presents a unique opportunity here on the South End of Ocean City. Thanks for coming to check it out.